If you're in sales or even thinking about getting into sales, you already know that it's not easy. But the truth is, it can change your life. Welcome to Successful Software Sales. I'm John Seaman, and this channel is here to help you master sales skills so that you can close more deals and increase your income, so that you can grow in leadership, inspire others, and advance your career. And most importantly, it's here to help you use your success to build freedom, give generously, and live a life on purpose. I went from being completely broke and overwhelmed with debt to building a multi-six-figure-a-year career in tech sales. And now I live in Italy and travel Europe with my family. Sales has dramatically transformed my life, and it can transform yours too. So if you're looking to break into tech sales, or you're already building a career as a sales rep, an entrepreneur, or a founder, this channel will help you grow your skills, your leadership, and your impact. So right now, and I mean right now, hit subscribe and join me for new videos every single week so that you can hone your craft and build the career and life you want.